Hello and welcome to today's video. I've just reached the end of the Piccadilly line on the London Underground here at Heathrow's Terminal 5. Today I'm taking an interesting flight that I've wanted to do for a while now. I'm flying with British Airways on BA 460 to Madrid on one of their 777s to see what their economy class is like. Enjoy the video. Heathrow Terminal 5 is the home of British Airways and is served by them alone. Once you're through security, there's a huge selection of shops and plenty of areas to watch the planes from. Today my flight departs from Terminal 5C, and this is a short transit from the main terminal on Heathrow's own miniature metro.
Transit is departing. Next stop, gates C52 to C66.
The sea gates here at Heathrow are very quiet, as passengers are told to stay in the main terminal area until their gate shows up on the departure boards. Anyway, my flight departs today from gate C63, and my aircraft is already there waiting, having arrived into Heathrow from Boston earlier today. Make sure to check out my Instagram for sneak peeks of future videos and general aviation related pictures. There you can also see me live post my trips as I do them. So check it out. This aircraft is configured in a 4-class layout. It only has 122 seats in economy. These economy seats are in a 3-4-3 layout. The seats are British Airways' new economy seats, so it'll be interesting to see what they're like. So here's my seat, 29A, which is located just behind the wing. So let's check out what this seat has. The tray table here can be used in 2 different settings, but it's clean and sturdy. There is also a remote control for the in-flight entertainment screen, however this does look a little bit dated. There's also a working USB port and a decent sized screen, however this was unfortunately not used during the short flight. Finally, there's a manoeuvrable headrest, which was very comfy and very sturdy. I have to say that these seats are surprisingly comfortable. And here we go, pushing back more or less on time. Luckily I had an empty seat next to me, which is always a bonus. So as we climb out of Heathrow, we will be climbing to an altitude of 39,000 feet and heading south down to Madrid. Flight time today will be 1 hour and 53 minutes. The seat has an adequately sized pocket to store your belongings in. In the pocket you'll find the onboard menu. British Airways have a partnership with Marks & Spencer's, another iconic British brand, to offer the M&S onboard menu. There's a wide range of options for food and drink, but I thought these were quite expensive. Instead, I bought my refreshments back at Heathrow, which turned out much cheaper. As well as the menu in the seat back pocket, there's a rather dated safety card, as well as the High Life shopping magazine and the British Airways magazine. Unfortunately, there were no individual air conditioning outlets, but you do get your own light which can be controlled by the remote control. Legroom on this aircraft was very good actually, considering that I'm 6'3". The only limitation was that the rather large in-flight entertainment box was situated under the seat, but this didn't cause large problems for me. Here's a Transavia Boeing 737 heading from Paris Orly to Faro, which crosses right over us. And as we start to approach Madrid, you can start to see glimpses of the city. Our approach took us south, passing west of the city and then doing a loop to heading north into the airport. You can see the spoilers being armed here as the pilot slows the aircraft down and descends into Madrid. So welcome to Madrid Barajas International Airport. The local time here is 5 PM. At 7,500 acres in area, it is the largest airport in Europe by physical size, along with Paris Charles de Gaulle. In 2017, 53.4 million passengers used Madrid Airport, making it the country's largest and busiest airport, and Europe's 6th busiest. So overall, I was very impressed with British Airways on this short flight to Madrid. The crew were nice and my seat was more comfortable than expected. It was quite exciting flying on a 777 on this short flight anyway. However, it would have been nice if the in-flight entertainment system was working. I managed to get this flight at a reasonable price of just £51, so the service I received was worth the money. I have just 2 hours to catch my next flight back to Gatwick with Iberia Express to see what their Airbus A321 economy class is like. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to subscribe for more of these videos. But for now, this has been Aviation Plane Spotting. Goodbye.